Hello, my name is Mohammad Ibrahim and I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have completed my civil engineering from CCOM Engineering College, Howrah. After that, I joined QSpiders and JSpiders to enhance my skills in the month of August 2022. And I really like to thank Mr. SKR sir for providing me a good interviews and providing me that skills manual testing, which is the base of testing. And I really like to thank Mr. Hemant sir for helping me out with Selenium skills. And I really to thank all the trainers like Hemant sir, SKR sir, Jalal sir, Narsimha sir, Suraj sir, Maruti sir and Sachin sir. They have helped me a lot in this phase, and as a non-IT background it was very tough for me, but the trainers taught me so well that I would love the trainers, so that they have given me the experience, whole IT experience they have given me, and which was very helpful in my interview. And it was very bad phase for me when recession came, and it was very bad phase for me. I went into a depression, and then Mr. SKR sir was there for me, and he helped me a lot, and he told me that it will happen, you will get the job. But I left the institute also, but still I was preparing on my skills and presentation. SKR sir told me that daily you give presentation, and it was a very good for me. Like presentation is something very best thing. It will help you to speak. Even if you don't speak, presentation will help you to speak, because at last in interview you have to speak everything about. Even if you know the manual testing and every skills, if you don't speak in front of the interviewer, they're gonna not select you. So presentation helps me a lot to enhance me and to speak well in front of the interviewer. So I really like to thank QSpiders and JSpiders for helping me out to explore my career and to help my family.